Add the following using column addition. So for this first one, we have 214 plus 362. Column addition is where you line up the columns. We start all the way to the right with the ones place. 4 plus 2 is 6. 1 plus 6 is 7. And 2 plus 3 is 5. Our answer is 576. For this next one, 531 plus 246. 1 plus 6 is 7. 3 plus 4 is 7. 5 plus 2 is 7. Our answer is 777. For number 9 here, we have 278 plus 349. Starting at the right, 8 plus 9 is 17. We write the 7, but we carry the 1. 1 plus 7 plus 4 is 12. We write the 2, but we carry the 1. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6, for a total of 627. For number 10, we have 659 plus 184. 9 plus 4 is 13. Write the 3 and carry the 1. 1 plus 5 plus 8 is 14. Write the 4 and carry the 1. 1 plus 6 plus 1 is 8. 843. For number 11, we have 3,482 plus 1,756. If you wanted to write the commas in that, you could, but it's pretty common when you're doing column addition to actually leave them out unless you need them for spacers. So starting all the way to the right, 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. Write the 3, carry the 1. 1 plus 4 plus 8 is 12. Write the 2, carry the 1. 1 plus 3 plus 1 is 5. For 5,238. On this last one, this is not necessary, but when I see a problem like this, I like to write the number that has more digits in it on top. And it's not that important in addition, but later when we get to multiplication, you'll see why it's a good habit to get into. Okay, so starting all the way to the right, 3 plus 6 is 9. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 0 is 8. 4 plus 2 is 6. And 3 plus 0 is 3. For 36,889.